you typically get 3 to 5 seconds at most, sometimes 2 to 3 seconds. So that's why those shortcuts are like super, super important here. Okay, let's see the about. Results-oriented leader of global comms programs, demonstrated the ability to build and grow award-winning programs, data-driven approach to influence and relationships on strong brand advocates and aligning them with sales programs. Okay, one thing that I'm a big fan of that you could workshop is I really like active voice. And I like writing in a first person in the about section, which is like an anti-best practice of like what LinkedIn originally recommended, which was like that format of you write like someone else, you know, like, or a neutral. But one of the biggest things, and it was actually like George Orwell's #1 tip, it was a great writing tip, was like always use active voice. So rather than being like, you know, this more like neutral passive voice that like describes you, is like introduce yourself. LinkedIn is fundamentally becoming like a personal platform.